Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about spiders. Most people believe that when you get bit by a spider, you will turn into Spider-Man, but you won't. There are over 40,000 species of spiders. Spiders are found on every continent on the world except Antarctica. Spiders have blue blood because their oxygen contains copper, which makes the blood blue, while in humans, our oxygen contains iron, which makes our blood red. Spiders have antennas and insects don't. Spiders are arachnids and not insects. Spiders have 8 legs while insects have 6. Spider's silk is liquid. When the silk reacts with air, the silk becomes hardened. Spiders create silk to create webs to catch prey. Most of spiders are harmless, but the black widow can bite you and inject venom. Female spiders eat male spiders because female spiders can dance very well, and when male spiders dance, they don't do it very well. So the female spider eats the male spider. Male spiders like to give their female spiders presents wrapped in silk, like a web filled with small insects and leaves. An abundant spider web is called a cobweb. I hope you like my interesting facts about spiders. In my next video, I will tell you a story about our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and a spider. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.